Hey internet marketers, in today's video we're going to take a look at how you can easily make hyperlink animations inside of Thrive Architect. If this is your first time to my channel, I'm Mike Lucas, and if you find this video helpful then hit the bell notification to keep updated for more videos like this. Subscribe, like and comment. I've also dropped a link in the description below to a simple step-by-step blueprint that can take your internet marketing to the next level. So with that said, let's dive into my computer. So here we are guys, inside my WordPress installation, and if we scroll down to Thrive dashboard, then you can see that we've got Thrive Architect installed, which is just a standard plugin in WordPress, and Thrive Architect enables you to build web pages, landing pages and a whole host of other add-ons inside. But the basic plugin is just Thrive Architect, and that's what we're going to use today to make hyperlink design animations. So I've built a page, hyperlink design animation, and I'm going to come down and open it in Thrive Architect, and I'll show you where I get that page from, which is a template inside Thrive Architect library. I think there's 322 templates within the actual library template. So to get to the templates page, come over to the left hand side here, sorry, the right hand side here, and you'll see the hover over this cloud icon, you'll see change the template. We left click on that. This is the template library, and I'll just scroll up and down just quickly just to show you. And this is the template I've chosen. I've chosen this because it's got a lot of text on it and I want to make hyperlinks for you. So if you want to choose that template, you just come down here, choose template, and it'll load. Okay, I've already got it loaded. So this tutorial, how to design hyperlinks inside Thrive Architect. First of all, I just want to say, use this in moderation, because this could annoy some people and other people would think it's way cool. Now, you know your niche, you know what you can do with them, so that's down to you. But I want to show you first of all how you would make a link inside of Thrive. And we'd come down here, and I'm just going to select out this first paragraph as an affiliate. So you just highlight it as you would any text. You can see over the left hand side here we get a fly out menu with some design options we've got. And if this was just a standard hyperlink, which I'm going to make now, just a standard hyperlink that would link out anywhere, you can come over here, you can change the colour. I'm going to change that to red, click apply. Okay, now that's red, probably can't see that yet, let me just click off it. There you can see it's red. So we highlight it again, and you probably noticed the drop down ribbon on the top here. We click the chain link and that drops down a box so that you can see the text that you've actually highlighted as an affiliate. And then we're going to put the target URL. So I'm going to put thrivethemes.com. okay, and we are going to open it in a new tab, and we're going to insert that link. Okay, so now that is an active link, and just to show you, we're going to come down here to the left hand corner underneath this dialog box here, and we're going to save our work. I always forget to do that. So all changes have been saved, And at the bottom here you can see, you can view it desktop, iPad, mobile. Okay, you got to scroll down a bit here but that's the mobile view. But I just want to take you to the preview. So this would be a live page on your site, and there's the link. Okay, and if we click on that link, it should take us to Thrive Themes if I've done everything right. Just wait for that to load, and there we go. Okay, so how do we make that an animated link? So let's go back to our Thrive editing page, and there's a link we just made. So if we left click on that, you can see over the left hand side here again, another dialog box pops up. Okay, and if you come down here you can see effect, and at the moment it's none. If we click on the pencil to edit it, we can select one of these animated options, and I'm going to select wiggle because it's a bit more of an animation. You can see, now you can see the colour of that, that's black, the wiggly line underneath. So you can come back up here let me click on it, that's it, make it live. You can see here, effect colour. So I'm going to make that red to match the link. Okay, and we're going to come down here and apply. Don't forget to apply it, and while I'm down here I'm also going to save my work. Okay, so that's all saved, and if we come over here, see the wiggly line, we got various options here. Left gradient, you can see there, sample of it, gradient shoots out from the left, and again you can come back up here and change the colour of this animated hyperlink. So I saved that work on the wiggle, so I'm going to come down here and preview it, and there we are, and click it again. That should go to Thrive. That's the link that I set up previously, and there we have it. And that is how you can set up a hyperlink design animation inside of Thrive Architect. As I say, be careful how you use it. You wouldn't want every link down here on the page, you know, animated. It may annoy some people. You know your niche, as I said earlier. So that's what you can do. I think that's pretty cool. If you wanted to draw your visitor's attention to a particular link, that's how I would use it. And that's it. So if you enjoyed this video, you found it helpful, I really appreciate you subscribing, liking, commenting. Hit the notification bell to keep updated for future videos I'll be uploading, and don't forget to click that link in the description below for the same step-by-step blueprint that I'm actually using at the moment to take my affiliate marketing to the next level. So I'm Mike from MikeLucasOnline.com. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.